Hey, so I got this really awesome holder for my phone. I do a lot of videos where I'm recording with my hands, and used to try to do it with one hand, or I would kind of set up a tripod and be on the side, but this has been awesome. Now, I do think this does come with a strap, so if you're doing some sort of athletic thing like running and filming, or maybe snowboarding, which I might have to do at some point because I do love to snowboard. But for everyday use, I'm using it kind of around the house to film certain videos. So I don't use the strap part, but you can do that. Anyway, you just kind of stick this over your head, and I would show it to you with a phone on here, except that my phone is recording this right now, so we won't be doing that. But one of the nice things about it, I like that when I'm filming something in front of my hands, I can kind of see what's on the screen, which is really nice. When you like adjust this headpiece, like you can see I can move it into different shapes and it's going to stay. Now, if I were to put the phone on it, right, it's going to move because it's not going to just hold that up entirely. The movement is more to like fit it around where you're going to be using it, but it has this soft like plate for your chest. So I really like that. Like that's where it sticks, like right on this like bone here. And that's what kind of gives it support. So this is really movable, this piece, but then once the phone is on there, it's that on your chest that's going to hold that in place. And then it also has this little dial down here, so you can adjust this. Like if I needed it to look at the ground or I needed it to look up higher, I can do that as well. Of course, you can turn this if you're shooting vertical or horizontal. And then you can unscrew this as well if you wanted to attach some other kind of camera like a GoPro or something like that. Anyway, I've been super impressed with it. I do a lot of sort of review filming, and this has been fantastic for me because it just frees up my hands and it does exactly what it's meant to do. So anyway, I hope this is helpful for you.